Can you tell me how you would write a title, for example, wooden table? I mean, what's the wooden table about? I mean, that's actually a good fucking, jeez, that's a good question, bro. Okay, so what I would typically do, obviously there are some ways, the thing is a lot of my stuff is based upon experience. Like I study a lot of the markets. I don't really know the wooden table market, to be honest. It's not really a fucking, I don't sell that. Bro, how's that ranked first? 1-star review. Oh, it's funny as shit. So I would just simply look at how they've done their tables, how they've done their titles, and how they formatted it, right? So Scandinavian, Scandi, I mean, Scandi is weird to call it Scandi, but solid wood. They've done Staffordshire garden furniture, rustic, twisted, rustic, Staffordshire, rustic, reclaimed. So let's say we're selling a rustic table. It's going to be Ruston, depends, Ruston, fuck am I talking about? It's going to be rustic. Should I make my face a little bigger? So let's say I'm writing a thing. So it's going to be rustic, coffee, table. Is that how you spell coffee? Coffee, table, dark wood table, handmade table, and then it's going to be like reclaimed wooden table. Do you see what I'm doing? Does this guy make sense to you? So like rustic coffee table is one keyword set. There's a table, dark wood table, table handmade table, reclaimed wooden table. You got to think about the keywords and the key phrases that people are going to type in. So like this sort of thing right here is just going to work very well. But also you should probably include the size. I mean, some of these listings have included the size here. Rusty, chunky. Like they're just describing words for the actual thing. Like if you look to your table, what you're going to type in? What would someone type in on Google to find that table? Like let's say, and even you can do things like this, right? Like I've just typed in that reclaimed coffee wooden table. So like Etsy actually came up. That's funny. But you can see that came up, or reclaimed wooden table. It didn't come up with one specific listing. But you can see like imagery. So reclaimed wood coffee table. That's what people are going to assume they're going to get. But let's say we remove reclaimed. It's all brand new tables. It's all nice ones, right? Like it's all these up here. So you want to bear that in mind and do this sort of thing. To be honest, like furniture is very good on Etsy. Furniture is very good. If you do the operations correctly. With that sort of thing, you're not going to be able to ship it from China. You're going to have to find suppliers in the UK, US, Europe, wherever you're based. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.